out YouTube? Boy Charge 17, we out here still. I ended the video, had to do something real quick. But yeah, back at it. Probably like, wait, I ain't see Jay in the video. Oh, look, where I go. That's how I look at night. Got my Mopar hat on, as you see. Get a good look at it, but that symbol right there, Mopar. So then, behind me here, there's all these guys walking down the street. Yeah, the video I just uploaded right now, or if this get uploaded before it, go watch the other video. Yeah, go watch the other video. It's just being it's just being uploaded. I just dropped it right now. Try and upload everything before I get back home. Yeah, it's nice. Earlier of the lake over here, earlier in the day. I got that video to drop also. I got a couple other videos to drop. I might piece those on. Nah, that one's gonna be one video. I got another video to drop and another video to drop. So I got like 2 or 3 videos to drop. Plus this one up right away. I'm gonna make this a short video. Probably ain't gonna record nothing tomorrow. Just enjoy the rest of the day because that's the last day before we all head back home on Sunday. On the road, go get the picture. Yeah, I mean, look at this. So if it's your first time, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and share. I mean, it's nice out here. Can y'all smell it through the video? Can y'all smell it? It's better than doing drugs, y'all. I'm telling y'all. Word. For the kids just watching, definitely find this as a better hobby to do. If you can still play sports. I mean, look at this. Look at this. The car. Oh, this Samsung Note 10, yo. I ain't got the Note. I ain't got the Note 10 Plus, but I got the Note 10. So second to it, or first to it, however you say, I don't know. This is something that has the 3rd camera in the back. I got like, altogether I got 4 cameras, so the other one got like total of 6 cameras. 4 in the back, oh no, 5. Yeah. 5 cameras, 5 cameras? Probably can hear me, right? This is nice. Let's see. I don't know, they're moving like kind of slow right now. There's like so many of them, they gotta do a turnaround and drive back up down the street. Do another turnaround, come right back down. So like I said, check out the other videos. If this upload before the other one, check it out anyway. Because I didn't cut it off without saying nothing, but anyway, this is like part 2 of it. like smelling the fumes from all the cars out here. It's pretty good. All right, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I don't know, like, I moved over, but the pole is still in my way. Look at these cars. Now it's like a little stop and go now. Everyone's want to go. They got these cars idling. Alright, YouTube. We out. Catch everybody to the next one. Stay tuned for whatever I upload. Say what up.
Hey.
Can you say everybody? What? It's the little guy saying peace. We out. We out. Y'all want to see what that is? Only for the shows. You know that, y'all. Only for the shows. They know they ass can't do that if it wasn't for the show. Alright, everybody, we out. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Charger17. Charger, yeah, I do this every time. Charger_17, that's Instagram. Lola Thomas, that's Facebook. And we out. Yo,
Charger Jeremiah.
He ain't got nothing yet. Yo, we out. So loud. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Peace.